10 Coolest Bosch Power Tools You Should Have. Bosch VAC 120N Hand Vacuum. The Bosch VAC 120N 12V Max Hand Vacuum offers powerful performance in a lightweight and compact design, making it ideal for quick cleanup tasks on the job site or at home. With a high-performance motor and a flat filter design maximizing canister capacity, it provides effortless and fast cleanup. The included crevice nozzle allows for reaching into tight corners, while the push-button cleanout feature ensures quick and easy canister cleaning. Equipped with a microfilter system capturing 98% of particles, it ensures clean air output. Compact and portable, with a fuel gauge for monitoring battery capacity, this hand vacuum provides convenience and efficiency for a variety of cleaning applications. Bosch PS11N Angle Drill. The Bosch PS11N 12V Max Angle Drill combines flexibility and strength within a compact, ergonomically designed tool, perfect for navigating confined spaces with ease. With a rotating head that locks into 5 positions and provides 115 lbs of max torque at only 2.4 pounds, it offers excellent performance in hard-to-reach work areas. Equipped with 2 LED lights for increased visibility, a 3/8-inch auto-lock chuck for easy bit replacements, and a variable speed trigger for precise speed regulation, it ensures optimal control and accuracy. For drilling, driving, or fastening tasks, this angle drill ensures consistent performance and unparalleled convenience, catering to both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Bosch GLI 12V300N LED WORKLIGHT. The Bosch GLI 12V300N 12V Max Lithium-ion LED WORKLIGHT provides cordless illumination for work areas with long runtime in a compact and lightweight package. With 6 powerful LED lights delivering 300 lumens of bright light, it effectively illuminates large workspaces, keeping them lit for longer. The flexible 6-sided shape design allows for 6 ways of angling the light, while the hanging hook enables easy mounting or positioning from above. Compatible with all Bosch 12V Max lithium-ion batteries, it offers convenience and versatility for a range of lighting applications. Whether you're working in dark corners or low-light conditions, this WORKLIGHT ensures enhanced visibility and productivity on the job. Bosch PR20 EVS Palm Router. The Bosch PR20 EVS router tool, Colt, boasting 1 horsepower and 5.6 amp electronic variable speed palm router, delivers precision and power within a compact and ergonomically designed framework. With a 1.0 horsepower 5.6 amp variable speed motor providing speeds from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM, it delivers fast and precise routing performance. Equipped with a straight edge guide for accurate routing along workpiece edges, a rugged aluminum fixed base for durability and stability, and a fast and precise depth adjustment system, it ensures optimal control and accuracy. The versatile bit changing system allows for fast and easy bit changes, while the ergonomic design provides comfortable handling during prolonged use. When trimming edges or executing intricate cuts, this palm router consistently delivers exceptional results, catering to both professional woodworking and DIY projects with precision and ease. Bosch GOP 18V 28N Bare Tool. The Bosch GOP 18V 28N 18V EC Brushless Starlock Plus Oscillating Multi-Tool Bare Tool offers unparalleled versatility and performance in a cordless design. With the innovative Starlock 3D tool accessory interface, it provides 3-dimensional blade grip for maximum torque transfer. Compatible with Starlock and Starlock Plus accessories, it accommodates flush cutting, plunge cutting, sanding, grinding, and grout removal tasks with ease. The brushless motor technology offers better efficiency for increased runtime and exceptional motor life, while the wide 2.8 degrees oscillating arc ensures better accessory utilization and productivity. Equipped with a variable speed dial, LED light, and snap-in toolless accessory attachment, it offers unmatched convenience and control for a variety of applications. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this oscillating multi-tool delivers corded-like performance and versatility for all your cutting, sanding, and scraping needs. Bosch RH328 VC Rotary Hammer. The Bosch RH328 VC Rotary Hammer combines professional-grade performance with user-friendly features for efficient and comfortable operation. With 2.4-foot lbs of impact energy and active vibration control in both the hammer mechanism and grip area, it ensures maximum user comfort during extended use. Equipped with 3 modes of operation and an integral clutch to disengage torque transmission in bind-up situations, it offers versatility and safety on the job site. The convenient 360 degrees auxiliary handle provides additional control, while the VarioLock feature allows for fine-tuning the chisel position with 12 different locking positions. Built for durability and reliability, this rotary hammer is an essential tool for demanding tasks in construction, renovation, and more. The Bosch GHO12V08N cordless planer. The Bosch GHO12V08N cordless planer offers powerful and balanced operation in a compact and ergonomic design. With the first 12V Max planer on the market, it provides fast and smooth stock removal with an easy-to-handle, balanced design. Featuring an EC brushless motor for professional-grade performance, it delivers 14,500 RPM planing and efficient runtime. This cordless planer delivers up to 33 feet of planing per battery amp hour in hardwood, with a single-pass planing depth of up to 0.08 inches. With a capacity to create rabbets of up to 0.7 inches deep and a 2.2-inch planing width, it offers versatility for a variety of woodworking applications. Designed for comfort and precision, it ensures optimal results for trimming doors, shaping edges, and more. Bosch GSA 18V 083B Reciprocating Saw. The Bosch GSA 18V 083B 18V Compact Reciprocating Saw delivers exceptional cutting performance in a lightweight and compact design. Weighing only 4.4 pounds and measuring 15 3/4 inches in length, it is ideal for overhead work and tight spaces. Powered by an efficient 18V motor, it offers a fast 3,050 strokes per minute and a variable speed trigger for precise control. The tool-free blade change system allows for quick and effortless blade changes, while the optimized 0.83-inch cutting stroke efficiently cuts through both wood and metal materials. Equipped with an ergonomic soft grip handle and an LED light for enhanced visibility, it ensures comfort and accuracy during operation. For cutting wood, metal, or PVC, this reciprocating saw offers unmatched performance across a broad spectrum of applications. Bosch GHG 18V 50N Heat Gun. The Bosch GHG 18V 50N 18V heat gun provides convenient mobility for tasks such as heat-shrinking wires, making it a versatile tool for both job sites and workshops. With a high maximum temperature of 930 degrees Fahrenheit and a quick heat-up time of 6 seconds to reach 570 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures efficient operation and maximum productivity. Featuring a cordless design and a lockout switch for added safety, it provides flexibility and ease of use in various work environments. The heat gun includes a reduction nozzle for concentrated heat flow and a hook nozzle for directed hot air around surfaces, offering versatility for different applications. Powered by Bosch Core 18V batteries, it delivers long runtime and consistent performance, making it an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Bosch GLM20 Laser Distance Measure. The Bosch GLM20 Blaze 65-foot laser distance measure offers extreme accuracy and user-friendly operation for a variety of measuring tasks. With long-range measuring capabilities up to 65 feet and accuracy within 1/8 inch, it ensures precise measurements in meters, feet inches, or inches only. Featuring a simple one-button operation and a compact design that fits comfortably in any pocket, it offers convenience and portability on the go. The live measuring function provides real-time measurements that adjust as you move closer or farther from the target, similar to a tape measure. Equipped with a backlit display for easy reading in dark areas and powered by 2 AAA batteries, it offers reliability and versatility for professionals and DIYers alike. Whether you're measuring distances for construction, interior design, or home improvement projects, this laser distance measure delivers accurate results every time.